how to make YouTube channel for kids. So first thing first, let's open the YouTube app. And now once you open the YouTube app, you can see there is U option at the bottom right corner of this home page. So just tap on U option, and now you can see there is view channel options on in the screen. So just tap on view channel afterward, and finally you will be able to see manage video button in here. So just tap on manage videos button. Finally, you can see in each video there is three dots. So once you tap on it, you can see there is edit option in here. So just tap on edit, and finally you can see there is select audience option. So once you tap on it, make sure you, whenever you upload a video, you enable this first one. Yes, it's made for kids, and yeah, you will be able to make your channel for kids successfully. So basically this is how. And you can also see there are advanced option in here as well. So yeah, this is the process, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.